Hello, dear neighbors and friends and fellow Americans. As you all know, we are going through a pandemic, and it's very important for us to stay home. Not just that, it's also important to have a good air quality inside your house to breathe. A lot of us haven't replaced our air filters for years or maybe months, and that's very important to replace because coronavirus is a respiratory disease, and it could be confused with other allergy or respiratory reactions or common cold, which could come due to unclean indoor air quality or dust mites or any other particles inside our air circulation system or central AC. Now, this is the filter that we need to replace. This is a clean filter. These are not dust. That's how it's supposed to be. This is a brand new clean filter, as you can see. What you need to do in order to replace your filter, you need to look for the size, which is 20 by 30 by 1. You need to make sure you have the right size, and then you need to make sure to get the one that has the highest filtration quality, basically the one that filters the smallest particles. And this is the airflow that shows you which way it goes inside your air intake vents. So basically, if you in most homes, on the ceiling, there are air intake vents where the filter goes, and that's where the central AC system sucks the air in order to circulate throughout the house, heat it or cool it off. So here's how we do it. Okay, so in our house there are two different air conditioning regions. Upstairs it has one zone, and downstairs it's a different zone. Each air conditioning system has its own air filter. In the upstairs, there are two air intakes. One is here, and the other one is all the way up there. So basically, there are two air intake vents. Okay? Each one of these air intake vents requires a 20 by 30 filter. So this is this is the reason why I have two filters, because I have to change them both. So let me open this and show you how this is done. All you need is a step ladder, or if you don't have a step ladder, or you could use a chair. And there are two little latches that you need to pull down, and this whole thing will swing open. Watch. Okay, so these open them this way, and this is how you get to your filter. This is the old filter. Now this filter was replaced nearly 6 months ago, so it's not very dirty, relatively clean, but if you look compared to a new filter, it is pretty dirty. I mean, a big difference. So yeah, that's something you need to keep in mind. And also, here's another thing that you need to take in consideration when you're replacing the filters. On the side of the filter, there is an arrow. The arrow shows the airflow. So basically, the air should be sucked in from here and exiting from here. This means that the side that has metallic film should be facing the ceiling. See that? Because this is air intake, this is not air exit. Okay, so let's put this back in place. So first you put it in place like this. Okay, you close the latches again. You want to bring the ladder closer to the other one. And close this one. Okay, one down, one more to go. Okay, so let me set this down here. Open this. Same as the other one, very easy to open. This one is a lot more dirty than the first one. If you look at the clean one, you see the difference. There, you see the difference. Again, you want to pay attention to the airflow. So the airflow is pointing this way, which means the filter must go this way. Okay? So if you can come from this angle to grab this, to shoot this whole thing. Alright, so the airflow goes that way. Filter goes in, nice and neat. The cover closes. And we're all done. Make sure to change your air filters so you have a clean, dust mite free airflow inside your house, which will prevent any type of respiratory disease or allergies that could basically worsen the situation in case you have exposure to coronavirus, and it eliminates the possibility or confusion with serious coronavirus infection. So you have to have a great air quality inside your house. Thank you. Okay, so I hope you found it pretty simple and easy to do. See, at the current situation, since we have social distancing, it's very hard to get someone to come to your house and do it for you. This is why it's necessary for us to know how to do it ourselves. So, thank you for watching.